As I said, this is Paul's Monday Market Update number 201 for Monday, 27th of October, 2025. As always, you're always very welcome here, and questions are always welcome, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. Another one that is reporting after the close on Wednesday is Microsoft, and I was kind of intrigued a little bit about this as well. Okay, from the let's say the tariff tantrums, all right, earlier on this year. Microsoft had quite some run on it there, didn't it? Really just actually fired its way all to new time highs, putting this kind of, real big reversal, as a pin bar, hammer, then a couple of really nice inside bar pin bars, and then we drifted our way lower. The way I look at this now, I'm going to draw this out, is once again, I see this as a bit of a kind of a lazy double top here. Okay, a bit of a lazy double top. Now, those of you who follow the Togs Trading podcast, hopefully you saw that we released a bonus session at the weekend about double tops and double bottoms. So if you are interested, by all means, you can look at that on the YouTube channel, right? Togs Trading podcast, just bonus session, double top, double bottoms. And that's what I see. I see this as a bit of a lazy double top here at the moment. Okay. But once again, a bit like what we just talked about in Meta, the way I'm looking at this is that, we're sat above $500. We are also sat above that 20 period moving average. And also, last week we kind of had a bit of bullish. And then if you look at the pre-market, is a bit of a gap up on it as well. So, as I said, if I was looking at the price action there, I'd be kind of curious to see, well, could the numbers on Wednesday be really poor? If they were poor, would that be enough to basically, drop us south of $500? That's what I'll be looking at as a reversal pattern. But once again, you have to understand the context. And as I said earlier, I think the giddiness, all right, the giddiness that will basically overwhelm markets at the moment is what will lift markets higher, especially if Microsoft print good numbers as well. So even though the price action there is a nice bearish reversal, my sentiment is to the bullish side. Okay, at the moment, that's what I'll be looking at to sort of to see how that particularly plays out.